This video demonstrates the operating principle of the BMW IMIB 2 Universal Measurement Interface and the procedure for performing electrical measurements during vehicle diagnostics. This procedure is used when diagnosing faults in the charging system, unstable onboard voltage, or fault codes related to generator operation and electrical consumers. Correct configuration of IMIB2 ensures reliable measured values and helps prevent errors during result interpretation. Configure the parameters to ensure that all required vehicle-related measurements are performed. A wide range of predefined parameters is available for this purpose. As an example, a diesel engine test with predefined parameters is described. The generator test is selected, in which the generator output power must be checked. If additional information is available for the selected function, the Help button in the IMIB2 interface remains active. The Help section displays explanations and recommendations related to the current function. Depending on the selected measurement mode in the connected measurement lines, IMIB2 also provides context-sensitive instructions to ensure correct measurement execution. In this example, measurement of the current in the electrical circuit as well as inductive current up to 1,800 amps and above is required using the appropriate IMIB2 measurement connections. Before starting the measurement, it must be determined which measurement lines and sensors are correctly connected to the respective measurement channels in order to prevent incorrect assignments and invalid measurement results. Press the button to confirm the settings and switch to measurement mode. After completion of the pre-configuration, the measurement mode uses the optimal parameter configuration. A comparison table is generated based on the selected reference value, which is used for comparison with the current measured values. The Universal Measurement Interface IMIB2 is equipped with two independent measurement channels. Measurement of voltage, current, resistance, as well as diode testing is performed with automatic range selection. Measurement channel 1 can be used to measure voltage, current, resistance, and to perform diode tests. Measurement channel 2 is intended exclusively for voltage measurement. IMIB2 allows two different measured values to be displayed simultaneously, which simplifies the analysis of the vehicle's electrical parameters and increases diagnostic accuracy. In summary, BMW IMIB2 allows correct configuration of measurement parameters, proper selection of measurement channels, and acquisition of the required data to evaluate generator performance in the vehicle's electrical system. The use of integrated help functions and context-sensitive instructions simplifies the measurement process and improves diagnostic accuracy.